Income. Income is the money that comes into your life and forms the foundation of your financial world. It can come from a full-time job, freelance work, a business, investments, or side hustles. Without income, there is nothing to budget, save, or invest. For example, if you earn $4,000 per month from your job and an extra $800 from freelance work, your total monthly income is $4,800, and every financial decision you make starts from that number. Expenses. Expenses are where your money goes. Rent, groceries, gas, subscriptions, insurance, and entertainment are all expenses. Some expenses are necessary, while others are optional. Understanding your expenses is crucial because when spending grows faster than income, financial stress begins. For instance, if you spend $1,500 on rent, $500 on groceries, $300 on transportation, and $400 on other bills, those costs determine how much freedom you have left each month. Budgeting. Budgeting is the act of planning how your money will be used before it's spent. It gives direction to your income instead of letting it disappear without explanation. A budget helps you balance spending, saving, and personal enjoyment. For example, from a $4,800 monthly income, you might plan to spend $3,000 on necessities, save $1,000, and keep $800 for personal spending. That plan is your budget. Savings. Savings is money you intentionally set aside for future needs or goals. It creates financial security and reduces anxiety. Saving consistently is more important than saving large amounts all at once. For example, saving $250 every month may feel small, but over 1 year it adds up to $3,000, money that can protect you or help you move forward. Emergency fund. An emergency fund is money saved specifically for unexpected situations like medical bills, car repairs, or job loss. Life is unpredictable, and this fund prevents emergencies from turning into debt. For instance, if your car suddenly needs $1,200 in repairs, an emergency fund allows you to handle the situation without relying on credit cards or loans. Debt. Debt is money you borrow with the promise to repay later, usually with interest. Debt can be useful when it helps you build a future, but dangerous when it funds short-term desires. For example, a mortgage or student loan can support long-term growth, while credit card debt used for unnecessary spending often leads to long-lasting financial pressure. Interest. Interest is the cost of borrowing money or the reward for saving and investing. When you borrow, interest works against you. When you save or invest, it works in your favor. For example, if you borrow $5,000 and repay $6,200, the extra $1,200 is interest. But if you invest $5,000 and earn $500, interest is helping your money grow. Inflation. Inflation is the gradual increase in prices over time, which reduces the purchasing power of money. This means your dollars buy less in the future than they do today. For example, a meal that cost $8 10 years ago might now cost $14, showing why simply holding cash isn't enough. Money needs to grow to keep up. Assets versus liabilities. Assets are things that put money into your pocket, while liabilities take money out. Understanding this difference changes how you view purchases and investments. For example, a rental property that generates monthly income is an asset, while a car with high payments, insurance, and maintenance costs without producing income is a liability. Investing. Investing is using money today to create more money in the future. It allows your money to work for you instead of relying only on a paycheck. For example, investing in stocks, index funds, real estate, or valuable skills can build wealth over time and protect your financial future.